Did you know you can make money online by combining these two AI to create stunning content? AI just unlocked a new income stream for creators. The Dzine and Pixverse AI animation challenge proved you don't need a studio to make money online. People are creating viral animations, building audiences, and monetizing from their devices. Let me show you examples of what you can create by combining these two powerful AI tools. Before we continue, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so now. Also, like and share this video and ensure you turn on the notification as well.
Are we still chasing the dream, or just carrying the weight of it? This is the story of John, a man with big dreams. He set out on a long and difficult journey. The road to greatness was lonely, until he stumbled on something peculiar.
Hey there!
John! Why work so hard? Why walk so fast? Who knows if you'll even make it? Come with me. I've got something to show you.
Sick of the endless walking and the stones others threw along the way, John followed the strange figure.
John, come look at this. A jewel beyond compare. It's enchanted, my friend. Yours for a price.
It's beautiful. I don't have much money, but I'll give all that I have. I could even pay more later.
Fair enough. Buy now, pay later. A deal's a deal.
At first, John was thrilled with his purchase. The jewel glowed with an otherworldly light, and he couldn't wait to show it off. But as the days passed, he realized it was far heavier than he had expected. The more he carried it, the more it slowed him down. Yet even so, John could not bear to part with it.
Didn't expect to see anyone camped out here. Thought I was the only fool on this road.
Oh, I don't know. Maybe there's more of us.
I'm heading to the settlement up north. There's a place where travellers trade knowledge, stories, books, things worth remembering. What about you? Where are you headed?
I haven't thought past this spot.
Roads don't always tell you where they're going either. You could come with me if you wanted. You look like someone with stories to share.
I need to take care of my jewel.
If you change your mind, the settlement isn't far. Maybe I'll see you there.
I thought this road was only for the folks on the move.
Look! Isn't it magnificent? A jewel beyond compare.
It's nice. I'll tell you what, I need help and you look like a man who can take care of things. Pays good, warm meals, and better company. Work with me and I'll promise you won't regret it.
I couldn't possibly leave my jewel unattended. It needs me. Maybe later?
Okay, fair enough. But things that don't move collect dust. Farewell. Many came and went, and years passed. John even found one or two friends, but they didn't stay long. It was most odd, but nobody seemed to notice how big and beautiful his ruby was. Why are you standing there like a fool, clutching that ugly rock? I bet you wish you had a jewel like mine.
You're the one carrying a rock. I have the jewel. I bought it from the gnome years ago. It's mine.
You're mistaken! The gnome showed me the jewel. It's the only one. I've been carrying it for 20 years.
Quit your bickering, you fools. You've all been carrying rocks. If you'd ever put them down, you'd have seen the truth. But I feel bad. Let me give you what you really deserve. Do you want it?
Blinded by greed, they obeyed. But the rocks fell to the ground and split open, releasing a torrent of pale, ravenous worms that surged towards the men and consumed them whole. And so, the gnome took what was left of them. Are we still chasing the dream, or just carrying the weight of it?
From concept to completed animation, Dzine is your all-in-one AI powerhouse for creating stunning animations and movies.
Boy's first day in the big city. He had a question. Why so serious?
There's no money here. It's...
But no one paid him any attention. So the boy decided to throw a party. Don't worry, darling. We're just here for some party favors. Boom! Boom! Let's see how much bang for our buck we get. And just like that, the whole city came running. Now tell me, do you think my little story is funny?
Right now, Pixverse is leading the way in AI video creation. Thousands of creators are producing jaw-dropping content by combining the power of Pixverse
In the
with
20th
Dzine.
century, breakthroughs in photography ushered in the golden age of moving images. However, the power of creation was concentrated in the hands of a few. With the dawn of the internet age, the power of creation was shared with the masses for the first time. Since 2014 onwards, the rise of mobile internet ushered in the era of short-form videos, granting ordinary people the chance to create like never before. By 2023, the rise of generative AI began to dissolve the final barriers to creativity. A transformation is ongoing. Video has emerged as the primary medium for information transmission. Through video, we discover, we understand, we celebrate life. Among the billions of video consumers globally, only about 10% have the ability to create videos. Pixverse AI changes that. Now anyone can craft cinema-quality stories. Get your fuzzy friend grooving. Work on becoming a better you. Become the superhero you've always dreamed of. Bridge distance to embrace loved ones. These visuals inspire more and more of you to start creating. And ultimately, more of you are now discovering the joy of making and sharing videos. As of today, nearly 1% of the global population, over 50 million people, have used Pixverse to create more than 250 million videos. Democratizing creativity, empowering each and everyone to be the director of their own